Hi guys, and welcome back to video 2 of how to make money with chatbots. Chatbot marketing automation. In this video, we are going to talk about when you should use chatbots and when you shouldn't, and types of chatbots available. If you missed the last video, please click on the link in the description to watch it later on, so that you will have a full picture or understanding. Okay, let's get started. When you should use chatbots. What methods do you use to deal with your clients? Is the only way for consumers to contact you calling, emailing, or filling out a form on your website? If this is the case, you would most definitely need to adapt to keep up with the times. Using a chatbot on your website to have a smoother user service is a smart way to do so. According to study, 67% of customers around the world used a chatbot for customer support in the previous year. Furthermore, 95% of users agreed that chatbots would primarily benefit customer support. In reality, 45% of customers say chatbots are their preferred method of customer service. As a result, with this technology on the rise, you'll need marketing skills to make it through AI era. However, in order to get the most out of chatbots, you must understand when to use them and when not to. When do you use chatbots? Number 1. Gathering data and identifying market trends and customer demands. Businesses may use chatbots to communicate with prospective clients at a low cost. If you have an online sales business, you need to use a chatbot. This is critical not only for establishing good client relations, but also for your own analytics. The explanation for this is that consumers are open and frank with bots, and the information gleaned from these interactions will help you take your company to the next level. Chatbots provide a fantastic way for marketers to collect data and recognize consumer trends and demands. Consumers now expect more than just a one-way transaction. They want two-way contact. They continue to interact with and communicate with the brands they care about. You'll enjoy the rewards of an intimate, actionable dialogue by using chatbots to provide two-way contact, including improved income and loyalty. Number 2. To make basic interactions easier. Chatbots' strength lies in the comfort they have. A customer with a simple question or suggestion should be able to contact a chatbot and get a prompt response. If they can't get a swift response to their query, more than 53% of customers would abandon an online order. As a result, if you use chatbots properly, you will avoid cart abandonment. A customer who is unsure if a product is in stock, for example, may easily query a chatbot. Both the consumer and the brand would save time and money in this situation. This demonstrates an easy, transactional touchpoint that does not necessitate the finesse of a human customer service person, who can now have more time to deal with nuanced customer issues. Number 3. Hand out welcome messages. Chatbots can be used to welcome the clients. You will catch your customers' attention, make them feel comfortable, and get them in the mood to buy by using chatbots on your website. Number 4. Build brand awareness by automating regular tips. People like being motivated and learning new things on a daily basis. That's why there are so many inspiring Instagram and Facebook pages. However, don't expect to make a lot of money by sharing inspiring quotes on Facebook and Instagram. What is the reason for this? Everyone is doing so because it's too crowded. It also doesn't agree that everyone you interact with will be involved in your goods or services. Instead, you can use chatbots to provide regular updates to your subscribers. Instead of sharing your content with unknown Facebook or Instagram users who haven't interacted with you, you can use chatbots to share it directly with interested users. Customers can opt in from advertisements to your website to get your bite-sized ideas by setting up a planned chatbot interaction with 2 button-based answers. Since users who connect with you have opted in, you can send marketing messages to them on a daily basis with this type of chatbot. When shouldn't you use chatbots? Chatbots are also widely used in a variety of services, including customer service outsourcing. Chatbots are also widely used in a variety of services, including customer service outsourcing. Chatbots have a lot of advantages, but they also have certain drawbacks that make them unsuitable for some circumstances. It's useful to simplify consumer interactions. However, overusing chatbots can cause serious issues. Where a human touch is needed, don't use chatbots. AI doesn't really understand it. Just humans are capable of dealing with unavoidable frustrations such as late delivery, faulty goods, or poor customer service. Human customer service agents will act with sensitivity in emotional environments, ensuring that customers' questions are addressed. As a result, if a customer interacts with a chatbot during a difficult or emotional situation, you can pass the customer's call to an online service agent to alleviate the issue and keep it from worsening. Using chatbots can know when it's time to transition to have outstanding customer service. As a result, the chatbots should be able to detect changes in a customer's tone or emotional expression. They should notify a human customer service representative if it's time to take over at this stage. Chatbots cannot be used to handle sensitive information. Data protection issues are a top priority for internet users in today's modern world. In reality, 64% of customers only shop with companies that they trust with their information. As a result, with users being more wary than ever of possible data leaks, it's up to you to reassure your audience that their sensitive information is safe. This ensures that when capturing personal information from consumers, such as credit card numbers or other financial records, it's important to stop using chatbots. Listen to the customers to get the most out of chatbots. Like for all new technology, perfecting the integration of chatbots into the consumer interface can take time. The only way to speed up the process is to solicit input from the clients and then use the information to have an excellent customer service. What is a customer's experience of your brand like? What methods do your customers use to get information? What's causing you problems and what's going for you? It's important to consider these touch points before deploying chatbots. You should also be aware of how chatbot technology will enhance your customers' interactions. Listening to customers will help you develop chatbots that have enjoyable interactions for customers, ensuring their long-term loyalty to your company. Types of chatbots on the market. With their ability to imitate interactions and have instant connections, chatbots are displacing conventional smartphone applications. According to Gartner, by 2021, more than half of companies will spend more on bots and chatbot development than on conventional mobile app production. Chatbots are now being used by a growing number of companies, regardless of industry. Although chatbots provide 24/7 customer support, they also provide data points that can be used to forecast customer behavior. Chatbot programming, hardware, and type, on the other hand, decide the user base it can represent. Rule-based chatbots, also known as basic bots that operate on keywords, and AI chatbots are the two major forms of chatbots. Number 1. Chatbots that follow a set of rules. Rule-based chatbots are the simplest and most basic bots. These are the most popular bots, and almost all of us have interacted with one through live chat, social media, or e-commerce sites. These chatbots are if or then logic to maintain a simple dialogue. Using rational next steps and simple call to action keys, a human programmer, such as a digital marketer, plans out the bot's conversations. Here's an example of how rule-based chatbots perform in practice. As you can see, any conversation begins with a greeting letter. To resume to the chatbot discussion, the visitor must opt in. If the visitor finds the content useful, the bot may inquire if they want to sign up for an email newsletter. They must then enter their personal details, including their name, organization, and position. If the visitor declines to resume the discussion, the chatbot will inquire if there is anything else it can assist with. Chatbots that follow a set of rules are simple and efficient. The more if-then branches you create, the better the customer service will be, and there will be fewer errors. Social media chatbots. Many social media chatbots are rule-based and can be found on sites like Facebook and Twitter. Facebook chatbots. There are over 300,000 Facebook chatbots today, making Facebook the most popular chatbot site. Many businesses use Facebook Messenger to provide customer support, online shopping, and marketing, including Sephora and Whole Foods. Call to action buttons are used by Facebook chatbots to connect with people. Twitter chatbots. Despite having fewer chatbots than Facebook, Twitter is still a valuable medium for engaging with your audience. Etsy, for example, automates its customer service with Twitter chatbots. If you can see, the brand also employs CTA buttons to help customers overcome their problems. Number 2. Artificial intelligence or AI chatbots. Rule-based chatbots are less complicated than AI-powered chatbots. These chatbots are interactive and do not rely on CTA buttons to plan out interactions with their visitors. Natural language chatbots and deep learning chatbots are the two forms of AI chatbots. Smartbots are another name for these chatbots. Natural language chatbots. Natural language chatbots use natural language processing or NLP to decipher the visitor's intent and background, which is a difficult task for computers. Humans do not communicate in a coherent manner. We use idioms, slang, and even misspelled terms. And we don't show ourselves in the same way as robots do. Information, systems, and processes are required by machines. NLP, on the other hand, aids computers in comprehending human language. Instead of having to click through buttons and menus, NLP allows travelers to have a chat with the bot, equivalent to text messaging. This provides a more personalized and compassionate experience. Chatbots that learn from machine learning. These chatbots are similar to natural language chatbots, except they're designed to learn more about visitors, remember information, and anticipate the next steps in a conversation. Machine learning chatbots store vast amounts of data using artificial neural networks, which function like a brain. And in the case of chatbots, these data sets are simply prior interactions and queries that the chatbot uses to understand. Machine learning chatbots, including natural language chatbots, have a customized interface for visitors. Thanks for watching. Please help subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. The next upcoming video will be talking about why and how to measure the performance of chatbots and how to get started using chatbots. By the way, if you also want to have the text version of these video series, you can refer to the download instructions that are stated in the description.